question you might ask is why to use Busy? Well, Busy is the simplest platform to use when forming and managing an LLC in Florida. Busy completes the entire LLC process, even at home, without any need of expensive legal fees and paperwork. So, to start forming your LLC in Florida, click the link below to sign up. This isn't a sponsored video, but simply a tutorial on how to start an LLC in Florida. So if you want to sign up on Busy and get started, head down to the description down below to find a link for Busy. From there, the first thing you're going to do is select the type of corporation that you want to build, and for us it is a LLC. Then select the state that you want to create your business in. For us, we want this in Florida, so simply go into this list over here and scroll down to find your relevant state. Once you're done doing this, you have a package comparison. All of these packages allow you to start your LLC, but of course the higher tiers have more features that may be beneficial depending on your needs. Starting with the silver package, you won't be paying anything extra besides your state fees. And keep in mind that no matter what platform you're using, even if you're using the silver package on Busy, the state fees are something that you have to pay on your own. So it really depends on what state that you are located in. So for us, we're going to have to pay our own Florida state fees to create an LLC. Now, after that, if you take a look at some of the features of the silver package, it gets you free registration, and you also get an agent for a full year for only $0. You only have to pay your state fees. Now, with the silver package, you have things such as unlimited name searches, articles, and other things that can be beneficial when starting up your business. You also have online support and tools such as an online access dashboard and unlimited phone and email support. Now, if you take a look and compare this with the gold package, you would need to pay $199 for the subscription and your state fee. So in the silver package, you only pay state fees, which for Florida are around $125. And for the gold package, you're going to be paying $199 plus the additional $125 state fee. Now in this, you also get some additional features for the more premium add-on. You have things such as your EIN, business tax number, lifetime compliance alert, IRS forms, operating agreements, and more. Now, if you want to explore some of these package features, you can see that we have the gold package. And if you like the features provided on any particular type of package, simply click on Select Package. Once we do that, we are going to proceed to the next step of forming our LLC in Florida. Now, once you select your package, you will be redirected to name your LLC. Now, keep in mind that whenever you are naming your LLC, it needs to be compliant with your state. So the name needs to be compliant with Texas, Florida, whichever state that you are creating your LLC in. Then you have to choose your LLC designator, which is going to be our LLC. Then after that, you have an industry keyword that you can enter. So simply enter that. Now, keep in mind that Busy also automatically checks the availability of your chosen name. And if your chosen name is already taken, it will also suggest some alternatives that you can pick out from. Then click on Next. Now over here, you have the option to select your state filing time. Normally it's 4 weeks, but you can have it sped up to 8 days for a small fee of $50. For those that are not in a rush or out of a budget, they can choose the free option, and then you will get an estimate and it will be ready. So you guys can see the formation date, and then you can also see if you are going to go with a 9 days business filing time when you will get your business filing completed. So it really depends on whether you are in a rush or not, and then after that you can just click on Next. Now after that, you have to add details for a contact person in case they need additional information. So simply fill this out and click on Next. Now the next step is to actually add your address. The company address info needs to be accurate, and if you want to keep your address private, even if you're in the state or if you're not in the state, then you can choose your own virtual business address with Busy. Although this comes at an extra fee of $29 per month, it allows you to choose your professional business address and virtual mail service. Otherwise, you can use your physical address in the state of Florida. Keep in mind that doing so will make your location public when submitted to the IRS. It's a part of the process, and it is going to be public for any registered LLC that adds their own address. So it depends on your personal preference. Now, if you are fine with that, you can proceed to fill out your address at the bottom. If not, you can choose your professional business address and virtual mail. So once you choose your virtual mail service and professional business address, you're still going to see a contact address. This is only for shipment related purposes. It won't be available to the public. Only relevant information that might need to be conveyed to you will be used for this address. So go on ahead and add your address. It can be any address, and it doesn't really need to be in the state of Florida. It could be anywhere. Once you're done adding the address, then you have to choose between the premium service packages. There are multiple different things included in these service packages. You have things such as a business contract template, which an add-on of $150 can provide you. This allows you to search for the right legal template stops. Plus, you can see over here you can get access to 25 plus high-quality written legal documents written by a business attorney to help keep your business contractually protected. Then you also have premium things such as your expedited filing service for only $50. And then you also have domain name and business email addresses that you can receive for an additional $40. And on the right side, you can see your total running. Now, currently my total is at $353, and if I want, I can get the upgrade and bonuses. And this will add all of these add-ons. However, if you don't want these bonuses, you can click on no thanks. I will pass on this opportunity. And you can proceed to the next step of Busy. Now, over here on the right side, you will see your order summary and your total. You will see all the features that are included in your current package, and each individual line item will describe what it is charging you for. In this particular step, it's time to approve members. So you can select the number of members that are going to be present. Now, this can be a member or a owner, and there are going to be multiple different owners for certain brands, or it can add multiple different people. You can fill out the information about each individual person, so you'll have to edit that manually. However, if you're the sole owner, you can add one. And if this is a company, you can go on ahead and add that as a company. Now, once we have completed our company owner's information, it's time to appoint a registered agent. It is required to have a registered agent in Florida, and with Busy, you can appoint a registered agent service for free for up to 1 year. You can either appoint yourself or hire someone. So choose the option that you would like the most and then click on Next. After that, you will be prompted to enter your EIN or tax number. Now, this is going to be assigned to you by the IRS, so you're just going to input that information. However, if you are a foreign individual with no SS number, then click on Yes over here. Once you click on Yes, you have to provide more information about yourself, like this, like your first name and last name. Then you can add your physical street address and then just click on Next once again. In the next step, you will be prompted to provide your business banking. This is a great option for those who have or want a separate banking account for their business. If you wish to proceed, click on Yes, I'm interested. Otherwise, you can click on Ask Me later. After this, you are going to be prompted for a free opt-in consultation with Busy. This is absolutely free and can help you in learning quite a few things about LLCs. You have things such as how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax selection, commonly missed tax deductions, house bookkeeping, reduce the chance of an IRS audit, and how to reduce self-employment taxes. So you can choose whether you're interested to receive this free consultation on or not, and then click on Next. Finally, you will be taken to your last step where you can review your order. Double check everything from your formation info, contact info, and all other information that you have provided. Then, if everything is good to go, you can click on Next and then enter your billing info. Make sure to check your order summary on the right and make sure that everything checks out and are the appropriate features that you agreed to. Then simply choose whether or not there are the licenses that you would want to get with Busy for an additional $99. Click on Next, and your final order review will pop up. Click on Next over here, and you can fill in your billing information, and now you're